Yeah, networking and telecommunication platforms, we have it. So how to communicate all the computers and the servers over there. So we for making a server, you need a server operating system. So the operating system you have in your laptops, it's a client operating system, it's not a server operating system. So if you want to make your computer as a server, you have to install a Windows Server on your computers, not the Windows Professional or the Windows normal Windows. Okay, so if you want to make your computer as a server, you have to install the Windows Server or Linux or Unix over there. So Linux and Unix, they work together. The client side and the server side, they have both capabilities because it's open source. You don't need to buy it. But the Windows Server and Windows Professional, they are paid one. So server is little bit costly over there for payment. So it's better for if you want to use as a client. So it will be cheaper for you to buy the Windows Professional over there. If you want to buy as a server, so you don't need many, you just need one or two servers over there. So you have to pay per license over there. So network hardware providers, who are the network hardware providers? Cisco is the leading one in the industry, and the Juniper network as well. Telecommunication services, we have like in Saudi Arabia, we have three important one: Zain, Mobile, and STC. So what we need? We need telecommunications companies who can connect to the main hub of the international telecom. So if there were not STC, Mobile, and Zen, so or these telecom companies, you will not be able to connect to the internet. So what they do it, they connect to the main backbone of international fiber optic, which is being communicated through the different seas, through the ocean, and through the satellite as well. Right, the continents are connected to the main fiber optic. Okay, lines over there, and then some through the satellites over there. So if you will have a full course on that one and if you choose MIS, so you will have a full course that how these are working, how the telecom companies are working, and how they connect to each other. So there is a full course on the networks over there. So cables you need it for your company inside it. Telephone company charges, like you have to pay the STC, Mobile, for voice lines and for the internet access as well.